Hello, in this tutorial I will show you how to migrate the data from your HDD to a SSD without having to reinstall Windows. You will have to use a SATA to USB adapter. For start, open your web browser and type in the search bar for diskgenius.com. Push the free download button and wait until the software is downloaded. After the download is finished, open the directory folder where the software was downloaded, and click on it to install it. It is very important to install software in another partition than the one where Windows is installed. After the installation is complete, press the Finish button. Now it's time to connect the SATA to USB cable and SSD to the laptop or computer. Connect the SATA cable to the SSD. And connect the other end of the cable to the USB port of the laptop or PC. Now click on the Disk Genius icon to open the app. Click on the OS Migration button. Now select the target disk, which is your SSD, and click OK. Now main operating system partition from your HDD drive will be cloned on the SSD drive. You can also migrate your files from other partitions to the SSD drive. For that, press the button Manage Partitions, and then click on Add Partition. In the new opened window, select the partition with files that you want to add for cloning, and then click OK. The new selected partition will appear now in Added Partitions window. Now we successfully migrated operating system and all files on C drive and D drive. You can also increase or decrease the space allocated for C and D drives. For that, click in the middle, and now you can decide how much space to allocate for each drive. To find out how much space is occupied in C drive and D drive, click on this PC and next press the right mouse button on local disk C. Then select Properties. And as you can see here, the used space is 249 gigabytes. And in drive D, the used space is 52.8 gigabytes. In this case, I allocated 400.1 gigabytes on C drive and 530.2 gigabytes on D drive. Now we can click Start to save all information at this moment on the SSD drive. Before pressing OK, I must remind you that all data will be deleted from the SSD drive, but not from the HDD drive. And then you need to select Hot Migration. Now we just have to wait until Windows will be migrated to the SSD drive. Now the Windows was successful cloned on the SSD. To safely remove the SSD from your computer, right-click on the Safety Remove Hardware from the taskbar. And then click on Eject USB, in this case is USB 3.0. Now it's all done. Thank you for watching this tutorial.